Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Waves Elite 24 by 12 foot by 52-inch pool set with filter pump. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Waves Elite 24 foot above ground frame pool set. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with an Includes SFX1500 SkimmerPlus 110 to 120 volt filter pump, pool cover, ladder, and ground cloth. Product benefits. The swimming pool can set up in no time. Made of a durable triple-layer polyester mesh and a durable rust-resistant metal frame. Handles 8,393 gallons of water. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.